Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify your home insurance with Chubb, complete guide step by step clearly. To verify your home insurance with Chubb, start by gathering your policy documents. Ensure you have your policy number on hand. Visit the official Chubb website. Look for the Customer Service or Policyholder section. Click on it to access various services. Find the option for policy verification or policy details. Enter your policy number as prompted. You may also need to provide personal information for verification. This can include your name, address, or date of birth. After entering the required information, submit the form. Wait for a confirmation that your submission has been received. Check your email for a follow-up message from Chubb. This email will often contain a summary of your policy verification. If you do not receive an email, check your spam or junk folder. For additional support, call Chubb's customer service number. Prepare to provide them with your policy details for quicker assistance. You may also reach out to their support team via live chat on the website. Follow any further instructions they provide to complete your verification. Once verified, ensure you understand your coverage details. Take note of renewal dates and any additional documentation needed. This process will help safeguard your home with confidence. You are now equipped to verify your home insurance with Chubb efficiently. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.